How to record your iPhone 16 Pro Max. So let's start the video. First of all, swipe down and press and hold in blank space and click on add a control. Firstly, here you can add a screen recording and then simply press the blank space, and after that press and hold screen recording, and here you can turn on mic and turn off mic, and here you can select a app where you want to save your screen recording, and here you can only single press it will be start, and press again it will be stop. Press and hold to turn on mic, and here give access to save photos, and after that click on it and your screen recording will be start. So this is the screen recording, and after that if you want to stop it then simply click on it and save here, and if you want to save another way then simply swipe down and click on it, and it will be stop and save in your gallery. This is the screen recording. So this is the way to record iPhone 16 Pro Max. Thanks for watching this video.